If you're over 50 and looking for real ways to earn from home without stress, interviews, or confusing tech, this video is your shortcut. These opportunities are helping everyday people make full-time income from home. Click the link in the description to see how you can start today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we turn life chapters into cash chapters. No steep learning curves, just smart, low-key remote gigs that fit your lifestyle. If you're 50 plus feeling sidelined by layoffs or savings shortfalls, these 6 no-skill side hustles are your quiet rebellion. They're flexible for grandkid drop-offs or afternoon walks, start with just a smartphone and Wi-Fi, and can scale to $900 to $4,500 monthly without burning out. Pulled from what's thriving now: community wisdom, quick shares, and evergreen tools. We'll count down from 6 to 1 with easy entry steps, real earnings from peers, and gentle growth tips. Number 6. Pinterest Pin Curator for niches. People are always searching for visuals like recipes or DIYs. Pin-curated boards linking affiliate products and earn $15–55 commissions per click-through. No design degree needed. Use Canva free templates to make tall pins, 1,500 pixels, about easy garden hacks or senior travel tips. A 62-year-old gardener built a board in a weekend, hit 5K monthly views, and banked $1,400 from Amazon links last quarter. Launch: create a free Pinterest business account, upload 20 pins weekly using keywords like budget meals over 50, and join group boards. Quick reminder: click the link in the description to learn exactly how to turn skills like these into a full-time income from home. Number 5. Audiobook Narrator for libraries. With audiobooks booming, record chapter snippets for self-published authors. $60–170 per finished hour. No fancy booth required. Platforms like ACX connect you. Upload a 2-minute phone sample to get matched. A retired teacher narrated cozy mysteries 3 evenings a week and cleared $3,000 monthly. Entry: sign up free, practice with phone memos, focus on warm reads like memoirs. Number 4. Online focus group participant. Companies crave mature insights on ads or products. $85–220 for 45 90-minute Zoom chats. Respondent.io and user interviews send daily invites. Profile yourself as an empty nester consumer for perfect fits. One 58-year-old joined 5 groups last month on travel apps and pocketed $1,050, all paid within the same week. Number 3. Virtual book club host for communities. Guide fun discussions on bestsellers via Zoom. $25 to $55 per session, 8 to 12 people. Facebook groups like Books for Midlife Magic always need facilitators. One librarian alumna ran 2 weekly clubs and earned $1,900 plus free books. Kickoff: join free library apps like Libby. Theme around stories of reinvention and charge via Venmo. Number 2. Recipe tester for food blogs. Share honest feedback on senior-friendly meals. $30–80 per test. Ingredients included. Sites like Cozy Meal or freelance boards on Upwork list these gigs. Just snap before and after photos. A home cook over 55 tested 10 recipes monthly and earned $2,100 plus free groceries. Simple. Profile as Practical Eater. Follow mailed kits. Email your notes. Number 1. Digital recipe card reseller. Package your favorite family dishes into printable PDFs. $6–18 per download. No cooking demos required. Buy MRR bundles. $55 for $100 cards on PLR sites. Rebrand in Canva free and list on Etsy. A 60-year-old grandma resold comfort food classics and scaled to $3,900 monthly passive income. Activate. Grab a bundle, tweak titles like Easy Soups for cozy evenings, and automate Etsy delivery. Scale. Bundle with shopping lists for $27 packs. Pinterest traffic fuels 250 plus sales a month. There you have it. 6 remote gems designed for 50 plus, blending joy with jingling pockets. From Pinterest pins to digital resells, lean into what lights you up and watch it pay. If this felt like your lane, smash like, subscribe for more weekly updates, and click the link in the description to start making full-time income from home today. Your Encore career calls. Answer it with ease.